Okay, so what's our problem, buddy?
We have to figure out which one, how many classes Miss Coffin gave to the iPads.
So not how many she already gave the iPads to, how many
Classes?
well, how many classes do we have in our school? What did the problem tell us? We have
17 classes?
okay. So how could we show that that information is important to solving our problem?
I forget.
Okay, well let's think. We have 17 classes in our school. So how many classes already have iPads?
6?
Okay. So how can we show that that number is important?
Miss Coffin gave 17 classes to have iPads.
Yeah, so she wants every class to have iPads. We know 6 classes already have iPads. So what could we do? You're holding something in your hand. How could that help us?
A marker?
So how could that help us with our...
We can write on the numbers.
Okay, so let's do that. Okay. So 6 is how many iPads that the classes already have, right?
Yeah.
Or sorry, 6 classes already have iPads.
Yeah.
How many classes do we have in our school?
17.
Okay. So what do we want to do? If we look at our anchor chart, we could work forwards or we could work backwards to solve the problem. What do you think you want to do?
Forwards.
Okay. So if we're going to work forwards, where are we going to start?
At 7.
So that's it. Where are we going to stop?
At 11.
Why are we stopping at 11?
17.
Okay. So what could we do to make sure that we know to stop there?
To jump to 7 and go down.
I like that strategy. So if we counted, what is the jump here? You count
1.
and then if you went straight
2.
down, is that 2 or how much is it?
11.
Yeah. So how many classes still need iPads?
11.
Yeah. Yeah, you got your answer. And you know what? I love that you used the jumping down strategy. Do you think you could explain that to the class as a group when we share our answers?
Okay.
Okay. So
Are you gonna
So can you explain to me how you got your answer?
I colored in 17 because there's 17 classes. I jumped forward 6 because 6 classes got and covered.
So you went forwards?
Backwards.
Backwards. So when we work backwards, what are we doing? Are we adding or subtracting?
Adding. Subtract.
Yeah. So you subtracted 6 and you got...
11.
So what does that 11 mean?
You forgot your name.
What does it mean?
Write your name. It means that we got JJ. It means that how much
So 11 classes will have to get iPads? Okay, so is that something you can put in words for me just so I know, just so it can help me out? Okay, buddy, can you explain to me the steps you took to solve the problem?
I highlighted 6 and 1
Why did you highlight 6?
because Miss Coffee gave her 6 on the test. So then I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Okay, so what does that 11 mean?
It means that she needs 11 iPads.
She needs to give it 11 more iPads. Okay, now I was wondering, do you think there's a faster way you could count to 11 using the hundreds chart?
By 10.
Okay, so what would that look like if you went by tens?
10, 11.
Yeah. So I like that, and look at you already have your 10 written down there, so that's a good shortcut. 10. 11. So it's just like Super Mario going down the 2. So do you think What if I gave you another question to practice that? Okay? Let's try one right now. So what if I said there are, do you have your highlighter? Let's see if we can borrow a highlighter here. Let's use this one. So what if I said I had a box of, let's say, just 1 second, buddy, okay?
After his, he'll give it to me.
Let's just say I had a box of 20 chocolate bars.
Chocolate bar?
So I got really, really hungry, and I ate 9 chocolate bars one night. Is that a healthy choice?
I like chocolate bars. I have chocolate bars at
Just
home.
wait 1 second, buddy. Now, so I ate 9 chocolate bars. How many chocolate bars are left over in the box? And let's try that shortcut that we had done before.
10, 11.
Yeah, I like the way that you used numbers. Do you think that's a strategy that you're going to use now instead of counting by ones?
Yeah.
Okay.